What's up guys, it's Ben OS here, back with another video, and today we are actually going to be unboxing the iPhone 11. Yes, I finally got one and I cannot wait to open it. It is the black version. It still has like the stuff on it and everything. I haven't taken it out yet. I can't wait. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so it is out of its packaging. Now it's time to open the box. Ooh. This is what it looks like. The back is all glass. That black Apple logo, and this is actually glass too, and then it has plastic on the front but not the glass back. That doesn't make any sense, but it's still cool. That's what it looks like. And then what the box looks like inside, this is for like the camera. This is the outside of the box, like the front, and then inside the box it comes with a USB-C charger for the phone, and then a manual. Comes with like the stuff to how to like power it on and stuff. Comes with the little tool for the SIM card. Comes with an Apple sticker. And comes with like the little manual. And then this is what it looks like without it. So that's cool actually. I like it. I don't know where I'm gonna put the sticker, but let me power it on. Just gotta hold the button. Ooh, that's clean. All black, I like that. I'm gonna take a little bit. And then this is where you set your phone up and everything. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I will in a second. But probably not on video. I don't think so. But yeah, that is the iPhone 11 unboxing. That is pretty neat. I like it. I like it a lot. So, there you go. What we've all been waiting for. Well, you guys probably haven't been waiting for that, but I've been waiting to get this phone for a long time. Just haven't ordered it. I just ordered this phone like 3 days ago. But yeah, there it is. And then my old phone is all cracked. Literally all cracked. The screen, not the screen protector, and then it's a 6. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing of the iPhone 11. If you guys want me to do a review on this anytime in the future, I don't care. Just DM me on Instagram or like comment down below. But thank you guys for watching. Peace. What's up guys, wait.